Okay, number 5 says y squared plus 7y minus 30. So we're looking for factors of 30 that add up or give a difference, because this is negative, of 7. So we're after y plus 10 and y minus 3. And that's because positive 10 and negative 3 multiply to this, but they add up to this. So if you were to FOIL this, your first would be y squared, your outer would be negative 3y, your inner would be positive 10y, and your last would be negative 30, and this would give you your positive 7y, which is what you had. Number 6 is z squared plus 2z minus 24. So because this is a minus, we're looking for factors that give us a difference of that. So we have z plus 6 and z minus 4. Now the 6 has to be positive and the 4 negative, because a positive times a negative is a negative, but these have to add up to a positive 2, not a negative 2. So that had to be positive where that had to be negative. Okay, number 7 is p squared minus p minus 56. Because this is negative, we're looking for factors of this that give us a difference of negative 1. So negative 8 and positive 7. So we'll have p plus 8, p minus 8, excuse me, and p plus 7. That's because these multiply to negative 56, but they add up to negative 1. Number 8 is k squared minus 11k plus 30. Now, because this is positive, we're looking for factors that add up to negative 11. So negative 6 and negative 5 multiply to 30, but add up to negative 11. So we're done. Okay, number 9 is m squared minus 11m plus 60. So we're looking, because this is positive, we have to look for factors that add up to this. Now, it's going to be prime, but I know that because the only factors of 60 are negative 1 and 60, or actually, let's just forget the signs for now. 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12, and 6 and 10. Those are the only factors. And we're looking for a pair of these that give us a sum of 11. Now, this gives us a difference of 11, but that's not going to work. We need a sum of 11. And there aren't any. So this is prime. Okay, number 10 is p squared minus 12p minus 27. So we're looking for factors of this that, because this is negative, give us a difference of 12. So if you're not sure, just start writing down the factors. 1 and 27, 2 didn't go into there, 3 and 9, 4 doesn't, 6, 5 doesn't, 6 doesn't. Actually, those are the only factors. And we're looking for a difference of 12. Now, this gives us a sum of 12, but that's not going to work because we need a difference of 12. Difference because one's got to be positive and one's got to be negative. So this is also prime. Number 11 is a squared minus 2ab minus 35b squared. So we're looking for factors of 35. One's got to be positive and one's got to be negative. So we're looking for a difference. So how about negative 7 and positive 5? Right? And so what we have is a minus 7b and a plus 5b. Number 12 is z squared plus 8zw plus 15w squared. And we're looking for factors of 15. Now, this is positive, so we have to look for factors that add up to 8. Well, the only factors of 15 are 1 and 15 and 3 and 5. 3 and 5 add up to 8. So there we are. So it's going to be z plus 3w. There's going to be a w there, right? And z plus 5w. Now, the reason this is a zw is because, well, this is the answer, so let's circle that. But if we were to FOIL this to check, our first is z squared, Our outer is a positive 5ZW, our inner is a positive 3ZW, and our last is a positive 15W squared, and these add up to our 8ZW, and that works. Number 13 is y squared minus 3y, yq minus 15q squared. Because this is negative, I'm looking for a difference of 3. So the only factors are 1 and 15 and 3 and 5. But neither of these give us a difference of 3. This gives us a difference of 2. So this is not factorable. So we write prime. Okay, number 14 is k squared minus 11hk plus 28h squared. Because this is positive, we're looking for factors that add up to negative 11. So they both got to be negative. So like 1 and 28 would not get us there. 2 and 14 would not get us there. But 4 and 7 will, because these add up to 11. And don't forget there's an h on these, because we're trying to get to h squared. So our answer is k minus 4h and k minus 7h. Okay, number 15 is x squared plus 11xy plus 18y squared. And we're looking for factors of this that add up to 11. So how about 9 and 2? So our answer is going to be x plus 9y, oops, let me write that nicer, and x plus 2y. All right, number 16, we have p squared minus 5pq minus 18q squared. So because this is negative, we're looking for factors that give us a difference of 5. So the only factors are 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. That's it. And we're looking for a difference of 5, but there's none of these that can give us a difference of 5. So this is prime.